Ogden, Utah. What started as a routine welfare check turned into a shocking discovery, a home overrun by animals, chaos, and an unbearable stench. April 15th, 2025. Newly released police bodycam footage shows officers stepping into a nightmare.
Wow.
Ogden City Police! Search warrant! Come to the door!
As the front door opens, dozens of dogs begin barking, running wild through a cluttered house. Dogs were on furniture, in boxes, and even piled on beds.
You're inside, make yourself known. We have a search warrant.
This is the reason why many dogs don't have a home nowadays.
Our masks? Yes.
I wouldn't even call this a home. This place is a dump. Minus the animals, of course.
My eyes burn.
When your eyes start to burn, that can't be a good sign.
You guys might need them later, but
You definitely.
we're gonna get our masks real quick.
I mean, what's the concern that there's more people in here? I mean, this is.
I mean,
Well-
it's never zero. It's never zero. Oh my god.
There's a
Grab your
lot.
mask. Grab your mask.
I just want to make it fast, and I don't want to go slow.
Officers quickly retreat, grabbing PPE masks to handle the overwhelming smell. One officer sniffles and says,
Very strong.
"It's very strong."
You put it, it's all I needed. I needed to do the dog. I needed
So how did police know what was happening? Neighbors had complained. Reports of barking, foul smells, the signs of a hidden crisis. And with probable cause, investigators secured a search warrant to enter the home legally.
If located, appropriately refer your bank.
So that is made to filter out the smells. So
Officers are now ready to investigate the situation thoroughly.
bad, dude. Quick, let's go. Well, yeah.
You never really know what to expect walking into homes like these.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like anyone is home either.
Cats.
LAPD!
We got several cats back there. Is that front door open? Yeah?
Inside, they find 156 dogs and cats. The conditions: unsanitary, overcrowded, dangerous.
That's true.
That's the front door.
Yeah, look out.
Are we clear?
Yeah.
No upstairs?
No, not that I saw. A lot of cats. Can we go in here? You look. Hey, Linda!
Oh,
Look!
we already looked.
Hey, this good?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah.
No.
This is what it looks like when animal neglect crosses the line and the law steps in. We have 2 suspects at hand for this case. Miguel Salgado Vargas, 73 years old, charges, facing 637 misdemeanor counts, including 169 counts of animal cruelty, 149 counts of failure to obtain rabies vaccinations, 169 counts of public nuisance related to odors, conditions, barking, and chasing, 149 counts of keeping unlicensed animals, 1 count of violating kennel or cattery regulations. Court appearance on July 15, 2025. Ramon Cano Aispuro, 50 years old, charges, facing 338 misdemeanor counts, including 169 counts of animal cruelty, 169 counts of public nuisance. Court appearance also scheduled for July 15, 2025. This is Undercover Lens.